Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Acrobat's menu bar appears the same regardless of which view is displayed. The menu bar contains 5 drop-down menus: the File menu, the Edit menu, the View menu, the Window menu, and the Help menu. Clicking on any menu displays its drop-down command options. As you explore the menu bar, notice that some drop-down menu options are grayed out and cannot be selected. Whenever a menu command appears in gray, it indicates that the command cannot be executed by Acrobat at the time. For example, if you haven't made any changes to an open PDF, the Save command in the File drop-down menu will not be selectable. The File drop-down menu in the menu bar provides several important commands related to managing PDF files. You can open existing PDFs, create new PDFs, save changes to a PDF, or print PDFs using commands from the File drop-down menu. You will also notice that the drop-down menus found in the menu bar often display keyboard shortcuts that can be used to perform the same task. For example, notice that the Open command in the File drop-down menu displays Ctrl+O to the right of the command. This means that you can open a PDF by either selecting Open from the File drop-down menu, or you can press the Control key on your keyboard and the letter O on your keyboard simultaneously to open the same dialog box. The Edit drop-down menu provides commands related to making changes to PDFs in Acrobat. You can cut, copy, and paste and delete PDF elements using commands found in the Edit menu. The Edit menu also contains supplementary editing tools that let you check spelling, look up a word, or locate specific text in a PDF document. Notice that most of the commands in the Edit menu also display keyboard shortcuts to the right of the command. The View drop-down menu provides commands related to the way that Acrobat appears on screen. The commands in the View drop-down menu do not make changes to a PDF, they only change the appearance of the PDF on screen. You can rotate the view of a PDF, choose from various page displays, and adjust the zoom level of a PDF. The View drop-down menu also provides commands for changing the way that Acrobat's workspace looks. For example, by selecting the Display Theme command from the View drop-down menu, you can adjust the appearance of the Acrobat display. Notice that some commands display a small triangle rather than a keyboard shortcut to the right of the command. This means that the command has more than one option to choose from. For example, when you hover over the Rotate View command, a secondary menu prompts you to select from clockwise or counterclockwise rotation. Notice that the keyboard shortcuts for Rotate clockwise and Rotate counterclockwise are found in the secondary menu that appears. The Window drop-down menu provides commands related to the appearance of windows in Acrobat. Using commands in the Window drop-down menu, you can open Acrobat in a new window, cascade windows on your computer screen, and split the screen display. As is the case with the commands found in the View drop-down menu, the commands found in the Window drop-down menu do not make changes to PDFs, they only change the appearance of Acrobat's interface on screen. The Help drop-down menu provides several commands. These commands let you access Adobe Online support, manage your account, and check for updates to Acrobat. The Help drop-down menu also provides a command that lets you sign out of your current user account.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.